All right. So tonight we're having chicken in a can and a granola and looks like peaches. The only problem I have is that we don't have anything to drain this with, so gotta stay hydrated. That's really salty. Oh my God. All right. Oh, okay. It's not that bad, but we need to add some other salsa. Oh my God. All right. Here we go. We got our famous Mexican style salsa. I know. We're gonna go get some hot sauce, but we're not gonna do it right now. We're gonna have dinner. Oh. Okay. All right. Chicken water. Oh my God. So, I'm going to be making a video soon. I got all this stuff ready. We're going to be making chicken burritos. I'm so tired. I want to go to bed. But I gotta eat something. So, in a pinch, can with a pull tab, spoons, put all your trash inside here. Now you can use this to cook with. You can use this to cut with, which I'm going to be doing a video on soon. So make sure you stay connected to what's going on here. Oh, I don't know how this is gonna. Oh, I didn't want to do that, but that was really salty. So yummy. That's all there is to it. Yeah. Oh yeah. You love chicken, don't you? That was horrible. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. I'll do another video real soon. I just wanted to show you kind of where I come at the end of the day. In some cases, I got here early enough that we can sneak in. So, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Later.